Hello students, so here we are continuing with the male reproductive system, and let's see in this module which part of the male reproductive system we study. We are going to be talking about vasa efferentia. Now let's see what is this structure in the reproductive system of a man. Watch this picture, students, and in this picture observe seminiferous tubules. Now what does that mean? Seminiferous means sperm forming, tubules means small tubes. There are hundreds of these tubules present in each testis. Now these seminiferous tubules are the tubules where sperms are formed, and the process you are going to be taking care of later in the future modules. But as far as the structure of testis is concerned, these seminiferous tubules, they join together in a network of irregular tubules, which you can observe here in the circle called as rete testis. Rete itself means the network. Now rete testis, students, it forms 15 to 20 small ductules which are known as efferent ductules. So efferent itself means small, and where exactly are they present? At the upper pole of the testis. Now these efferent ductules or vasa efferentia, students, it pierces through the outer covering of the testis, which is called as tunica albuginea, and from here it enters the head part of epididymis, and the head of epididymis, students, is called as caput epididymis. So small ductules, 15 to 20 in number, called as vasa efferentia at the upper pole of testis. Now what exactly are they doing? Now these are tubes having muscles, thin layer of muscles present in it. So these are the tubules which are transferring or carrying sperms from testis to the epididymis. That's the function of these tubules. Now moving on, students, let's study another important part which is known as epididymis. Now let's observe where is epididymis in this structure. Now it is C or comma shaped part which you observe here, and this is the structure, students, which is lying posterior to the testis, at the posterior border of the testis. It is muscular again, tubes, so thin layer of muscles present in them, muscular, highly coiled tube. And how long is this tube, students? It's pretty long. It is around 6 meters in length, which is very long. That means there has to be some very important function of these tubules, which we'll just see. Now, this structure, students, called epididymis is differentiated into 3 regions. Let's understand what are the names of those 3 regions and what exactly are they doing. Now those 3 regions we're talking about, students, are here demarcated as A, B and C. Now let's see what are those parts. A is the head region, which is also called as caput epididymis. B, which you can see, is a long part. It's the body of epididymis, also called as corpus epididymis. And C down there, students, that's the tail of epididymis, also called as cauda epididymis. Also observe, students, from the tail region of the epididymis, there is arising a tube which is marked in here as D. That tube is vas deferens. Now let's see what exactly is the role of epididymis. Part A, which we were calling as head, it's a very important part. Why? because this is the part where sperms mature. And how do sperms mature in here? Let's see. In head region, physiological maturation, that means functional maturation of sperms take place. So functionally mature means what? That means there is going to be increased motility or mobility of sperms, which is absolutely important for fertilizing the ovum. That's why we say it increases the fertilizing capacity of the sperms. That's the main function of head region. And the lowest part, the tail. In the tail region, students, sperms are temporarily stored till the time they are released into the vas deferens. So in this module, students, we talked about vasa efferentia and epididymis. We are going to be continuing talking about other parts of the male reproductive system in the next module. Till then, take care.